This is Ryan King, every parent's worst nightmare. That's how the sex beast butcher was described by a sheriff today as he was caged for posing as a teenager to groom young boys on Snapchat. King was told he had robbed his victims of their innocence and childhood as he was locked up for nearly 4 years and told he will be monitored for 3 years once released from prison. The 31-year-old pretended to be 15 and bombarded children as young as 11 on the app with pictures and videos of himself and others performing sex acts. He also tried to arrange meetups while claiming to be a teenage boy called Sam between April and November last year. Today, Thursday, April 23rd, 2026, he was jailed at Paisley Sheriff Court for the offences which saw him targeting boys aged 11, 12, 13 and 15. And he was slammed by a sheriff for his abuse of the youngsters, one of whom is autistic and has ADHD.